Hay's DX platform boosts developer happiness and productivity by focusing on work output, well-being, and teamwork. Having so much dev, project, and contextual data in one place has never been easier for engineering managers and tech leads. All you have to do is sign into Slack and add your GitHub repos. Imagine these are your software developers. Say you'd like to know how Gemma is doing on the Milky Way project. You can check her progress in the team with our GitHub integration, tracking her commits, pull requests, and reviews effortlessly. You can assess Gemma's happiness and satisfaction with a quick pulse survey right in Slack. This data appears on your central dashboard to help you assist Gemma in overcoming burnout and slumps in productivity. Gemma can ask her teammates for feedback. As her engineering manager or tech lead, you gain insights into how she's collaborating, giving you actionable data that will help you foster a stronger, more cohesive team. Enhance your communication with note-taking, designed to prepare you for performance reviews with Gemma. Ensure her wins and project successes are recognized in your next one-to-one meeting. Empower her from the very first day to grow as both a developer and a leader. Join the DX revolution with Hay. Get your free trial at howaryou.work and start building your high-performing dev team today.